Stinson Beach is a vibrant coastal community where land and sea meet in a dynamic and ever-changing environment. A cherished destination for locals and visitors alike, it offers stunning natural beauty, endless recreation, and a strong sense of community. But this treasured shoreline faces growing challenges. Coastal storms, erosion, and rising groundwater, all intensified by sea level rise, are threatening homes, infrastructure, and the beach itself. Today, extreme coastal storms bring powerful waves, storm surge, and precipitation. With just 0.8 feet of sea level rise, the impacts of a similar storm could cause extreme damage to the community. Stinson Beach has experienced wave run-up and flooding before, leading to dune erosion and damage to homes and infrastructure. Bolinas Lagoon is a vital wetland and bird sanctuary that supports rich biodiversity, but rising sea levels threaten its delicate ecosystem. Currently, extreme storms already flood the entire lagoon and a few access roads. However, with as little as 0.8 feet of sea level rise, Seadrift Road, Calle del Arroyo, and even parts of Highway 1 could be flooded during storm surge and creek flooding events. But there is hope. Dunes and cobble berms can protect the shoreline and buffer against wave energy while fostering resilience of beach habitats. Other adaptation measures can accommodate rising water by elevating homes, utilities, and key roads. Together, we can build a resilient community in the face of these challenges. Welcome to Sea Level Rise Explorer, Stinson Beach.